Good day, let's go through a quick tutorial on how to get your Web3 wallet on Binance. So basically this is your homepage, and on your homepage, at the top of the homepage, you see exchange, and next to it is wallet. So basically that is a Web3 wallet, and you must click on that wallet. When you click on the wallet, it takes you to your wallet, and here is basically your Web3 wallet. So now if you want to receive money, you just click crypto, you just click on where it says receive in yellow there. Once you say receive, it's either you transfer from the Binance exchange to your account. If you have any BNB in your Binance account or USDT that you want to basically transfer here, you can do so with transfer, or you can receive token via an address. So basically here you can choose which address you want. For example, if I want to send BNB, I can do so. Then I choose the BNB, the second one here, and I can copy my address, and obviously then I go to my exchanger where I'm getting my BNB from. After that, once you receive your BNB in your wallet, you can then basically look at the bottom of your app here. You have home, then you have market, then you have trade. So basically you go to trade. And once you get to trade, this is basically just a disclaimer, and also this one here, just click on OK, because it's basically giving you a tour of your Web3 and how to basically use it. So you can just say OK. So now if you have BNB in here, and you want to buy a specific token that you have here, you obviously have to put BNB at the top, and then use the address of the specific token that you want to buy. So for those that want to buy baby BFT, hopefully it comes up, baby BFT, yeah, boom, yes, baby BFT. But for your sake, just make sure that you use the contract address to copy and paste, because it might not be the correct one. And then basically you just here where it says insufficient BNB balance for me, it will ask you then to confirm to buy. Also, the other thing, the good thing is that you can also use your balance that is in the exchanger. So you don't actually need to send money here. All you can do is here where it says use exchanger balance, you just apply that, and then what will happen is then you can basically buy using the exchanger balance to buy your baby BFT, and it's as simple as that. Once it's bought, then your baby BFT will appear on your asset. So at the bottom of the page, again there on the tab that says asset, if you go to asset, then what is the thing, then your baby BFT will appear here. So it's as simple as that.